Okay, Ben, so I'm yet to be convinced that I've seen the best out of you. Disappointing so far. So let's see if this is an improvement. Okay, well 5 isn't a factor of 12, doesn't go into 12 exactly. The others do, so that's your only mistake, so you'll get 1 mark for that. And 5 packs is correct. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a promising start. 700. You only need to pick one, both of those are right, so that's fine. 7 pineapples. That's good. Now, this is the question that you were being assessed with the quality of your written communication. There's not much there really. You told me that you're working out right, so kind of backwards. I would have expected you to start with the £5.60 by doing the 6 less 40 and then seeing how many times 7 goes into it. But what you've done is right there. So you got your 3 marks for your answer, but you haven't really communicated how you are or what you're trying to do there or why you've done it in that particular way. So you're not going to get any of those marks. Nevertheless, 11, 16 for the page. It's much better. 50 is correct and 8 days is correct. Okay, with this one you have got there 20, 40, 60, 75, not 70. So that one is wrong with you. There's one too many. So out of those 4 you will get 3. The Americas is right and 30 out of 200 is right as well. So you get those 3 there, 10 for the page. This is worth an additional 4 marks. So you have correctly labelled it. It's nicely spread out, so you're going to get 4 out of 4 for that. So that's good. 48 and centimeters is correct. Centimeters squared is right, so you're going to get the unit mark, but your method here is wrong. That area for that rectangle is 7 times 3. And that one are also 7 times 3. So the total area is 21 plus 21 plus 21. Alright, so your method for finding area is wrong there, so you will lose the 2 marks for that, but because you correctly put the units, you will get that 1 mark. 8 for the page. That is good. That is good. And those are good as well, so that's good. 4 marks there. 7 and 8 is correct. And that is correct as well. So 11. So far this is a really strong paper. 1x is correct. 3 minus 7y is wrong. Your y's there are that one and that one. So you've got negative 2y plus 5y. So you're starting on the number line at minus 2 and you're adding 5. You end up at plus 3. So 1 mark there. 5t equals 15 is correct. So t will be 15. To get the t in its own, you need to do the opposite of multiplying by 5, which is dividing by 5 to get 3. So you'll get 1 mark for that out of the 2. 4 is correct. Well done. So 4 for that page. Take a look in the video clip how I explain that. That's something that you should be able to do. Okay, 0.31, 62, £47. Well done. That's good going. 6 marks there. 75 degrees is correct, and so is 47. Wow. 12 marks. 1147 is correct. This one isn't. Catching the 13:25 train at Llandudno Junction, which is that one. How long should it take her to get to Chester? So Chester is that one. Now that's less than an hour, but how many minutes less than an hour is it? It's 6 minutes less than an hour. If that was 14:25, it would be an hour, but it's not. It's 6 minutes fewer, so it's 1 hour minus 6 minutes, which is 54 minutes. Because you didn't show me what times you were working with there, you're not going to get any of the marks back, unfortunately. 2 to the 4 times 3 times 5. Well done. That one's not in the right place, so what you need to do with this one is, first of all, trace it. It's telling you that you're rotating about the origin, which means you're going to pin the tracing paper down there, and it's a 90-degree clockwise, which means you're going to turn it until that tracing paper, that arrow, is pointing in that direction, and that's where the shape should be. So watch how I do that on the video clip. 4 marks for the page. That's good. Well done. Okay, so with this one, you shouldn't be multiplying by 2.2, you should be dividing by 2.2. 2.2 is the right equivalence, but it should be a division. 5 marks for that question. Have a look how I work through that on the video. That's quite a complicated question for 3 marks. 15 is correct. Again with that one, not again, we haven't done it before, but you just treat it in exactly the same way you would with an equation. It's just, it's not an equal sign, it's an inequality sign instead. Have a look at the video clip for that one, and that's it. Well, I have no doubt that's your best paper to date, Ben, so let's see just how good it was. 61 is what we're looking for a C. 16, 26, 34, 45, 49, 49, 59, 61, 65, 70, 73. 73 is brilliant. If you get 73 in the exam, you will absolutely, definitely get a grade C. So you've shown me you can do it. Now you need to show me that you can consistently do it. But I'm really pleased with that. Well done.